Lumo Lodge. Lumo Lodge is an exclusive and eco-luxury boutique beach resort on Ghana's west coast. It can be located in the western region of Ghana in a town called Xena, about 7-hour drive by car. If you want to go by air, you fly from Accra to Takoradi and it's about 1 hour 15 minutes from Takoradi. The room rates vary from $250 to $720 depending on the season and peak at which you book. Lumo Lodge is one of the best places to go with your friends and family, even your significant other, away from the bustle nature of Accra. It has a very beautiful weather condition. Meet Me There Lodge is one of the most beautiful places I myself has ever been to. It can be located in the Volta region of Ghana, specifically in Keta. It is an eco lodge surrounded by life itself. The most amazing things about this lodge is how natural the rooms are and other facilities are. Waking up to see turtles give birth on the shores of the sea is one of the most beautiful activities I've ever done at this lodge. I wish you luck on such an activity because these things are rare to see. The customer service is top-notch. The rooms vary from 60 cedis to 260 cedis a night. A pro tip, always go for the suites. You will have the best experiences. Skies made it this far. Make it through the day with just enough of hope to try to make a way through the miles of our own. But life keeps holding us through times we wanna fall. I know these days are tough, it is that through it all. What will you be by my side through the darkest days? What will you be by my side even though I'm in pain? Xena Lodge, West Africa's first luxury lodge, nestled in the heart of the Mole Forest. Xena Lodge in Ghana provides a world-class hospitality service with a unique touch. Xena Lodge is located within Mole National Park, the largest game reserve in the country. The lodge looks out over seemingly endless savanna.